Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz surrounding the highly anticipated release of the new Porsche 911 GT3 RS. If you're a car enthusiast or a Porsche fan, this is one video you won't want to miss. Let's get right into it. Porsche has always been synonymous with performance, luxury, and cutting-edge automotive technology. The 2024 Porsche 911 GT3 RS is no exception. This model is generating a lot of excitement, and for good reason. With its official debut just around the corner, let's explore what makes this car so special. Under the hood, the 911 GT3 RS is expected to feature a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine. This powerhouse is rumored to deliver an astonishing 520 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful naturally aspirated engines Porsche has ever produced. The car is designed to deliver an exhilarating driving experience, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time estimated to be around 3 seconds flat. Porsche has put a significant focus on aerodynamics for the GT3 RS. The car will feature a large rear wing and an aggressive front splitter, both of which contribute to improved downforce and stability at high speeds. The lightweight body, made from a combination of carbon fiber and aluminum, ensures that the GT3 RS remains nimble and responsive on the track. Inside the cabin, the 911 GT3 RS is expected to be a blend of luxury and technology. Drivers can look forward to a state-of-the-art infotainment system, advanced driver assistance features, and a driver-focused cockpit that puts all essential controls within easy reach. The seats are designed for maximum support and comfort, making this car perfect for both track days and long drives. While Porsche has been tight-lipped about the exact release date, industry insiders suggest that the 911 GT3 RS will be available for order by the end of this year, with deliveries beginning early next year. As for pricing, it's expected to start at around $200,000, reflecting its position as a top-tier performance vehicle. The combination of raw power, sophisticated design, and cutting-edge technology makes the 911 GT3 RS a standout in the crowded sports car market. Car enthusiasts and experts alike are eager to see how this model performs on both the road and the track. Its predecessor set a high bar, and this new model promises to push the boundaries even further. That's all for today's update on the upcoming Porsche 911 GT3 RS. It's clear that this car is set to make a significant impact in the automotive world, combining Porsche's rich heritage with modern innovation. If you're as excited as we are, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates. Let us know in the comments what you're most excited about with the new GT3 RS.